Hello guys, so what this video is this could be the beginning of a brand new playlist of me coding in Python. So there'll be a link in the description below the video, and in that link there will be a place where you will download a PyCharm. Once you do download it, set it up, and then go to your PC and load somewhat similar to this, okay? So it's gonna look a bit similar to this, okay? The reason why I'm not using OBS, terrible Wi-Fi. I'm gonna get some better ones soon, so don't worry. So once you choose where you want to download it, it's gonna look something like this, okay? And now I know for Mac users, don't worry, cause you'll be fine, okay? So over here, let's say customize PyCharm. First, it asks you which UI theme you want. I just chose the dark one. So for here, you can choose. I decided to make the video part start here, really, because it's talking about the tools and where you want to install the plugins. So you have an idea of Vim, R, or OS toolkit. Then you can look at what the editor comes with. This one comes with. I'm going to choose this option, okay? This option, the one at the very right, okay? As you can see, it has downloaded by a pretty nice speed, okay? I know it's in white, so you can't see it, but it's like 70s. Okay, it's in the 70s right now. I know you guys can't see it. Okay, now it's installed, okay? So over here, down here, it says start using PyCharm. I'm gonna click yes. And then boom, it's done. Now this looks beautiful, okay? You can now just click open. And you can look at it. Now this is how you want your program coding to look, okay? And I love PyCharm, okay? PyCharm is a great place to learn Python, and we're gonna learn it together, okay? So click OK to this. Alright, so yeah, boom, you can download files and stuff, and this is pretty cool, okay? You can open it up from here, but I already have the app open over here, okay? So you can click at some tips. Next tip, I'm just gonna go over some of the important stuff to know, okay? I'm just gonna briefly skip through this. So even they have them, so those people are using MacBook. What can I tell? The 3 dots means it's a MacBook. Duh. And I really want to learn Python. Like, Python is something I really want to learn. Okay? It's a programming language that I want to learn for a while. I'm pretty sure they're just repeating this or something, but I'm not exactly sure what. I'm just going to click close. No, Droid Cam, I don't want you. Alright, where is it? There it is. Okay. So now you can click File, New Project. And when you want a new project, it'll look somewhat similar to this, okay? It'll say C users, SID-Z, and it's going to say PyCharm project/python.org, okay? And then over here, it says new environment using, and it says virtual env, okay? So if you click on this over here, now mine's touchscreen, but for new Mac users, it's not going to be that. And I know you guys have the options where you want to keep it, but I'm going to leave it as it is, okay? But if you guys wouldn't want to put it somewhere else, that's fine. Alright, I'm just going to click create. There's a create button down there, over here, and I'm going to click that button, okay? So just let me click it. Yeah, I clicked it, and I'm going to click this window. We can do it in a new window. So it's going to create it, and boom, this is a Python sample script, okay? Now we know Python is okay, so now we know that Python is a language that we're gonna have to get used to, okay? It is more coding, more developed coding, but listen, I want to be an AI programmer when I grow up, so I really want to learn Python, okay? JavaScript and Python are very two important languages you need to know, or should know at least. And it's good to know more than one language, okay? So I want to learn Python now. So if you guys want to learn just Python too, you guys can watch this brand new playlist of coding in PyCharm with SID-Z. You will have to download this, so you guys can either download this for Windows or Mac OS, whichever one you want. Get it downloaded, and I'm feeling tired because I've been up all night. I've been awake since 7:20 a.m. and I'm super tired. I had a long day of work today. Okay, so yeah, I should probably sleep early though. I've been sitting at this computer for so long though. Let's see. So PyCharm, and it says no. Alright. Yeah. Anyway, I'm just gonna close this tab open. Or I'm just gonna close it and exit PyCharm. Alright. I'm going to show you guys how PyCharm works, everything you need to know about PyCharm, and why I think PyCharm is going to help us learn Python. So, what we know about PyCharm so far? Absolutely nothing. Now, p5.js is so basic, okay? Like, it literally uses very simple words. Now, this is not even JavaScript. This is a completely new language. But do we have to start from scratch? Well, not necessarily, no, okay? We can code our way into this, okay? And we will, okay? I made plus 30 videos explaining stuff in p5.js. There'll probably plus 30 videos explaining stuff here. Now, no, p5.js was very easy and very simple. Not that hard, but you can get into the harder stuff. Now, Python's not a hard language to learn either, okay? None of the languages are hard to learn, okay? You're just telling yourself, oh, that's too hard to learn. Some languages are harder than others. I'll accept that, but in Python, it's not a 100% easy language. Like JavaScript, probably one of the easiest languages out there. HTML, another one of the easiest languages out there. Python is probably the next level, okay? But I know we're ready for the next level, okay? Now, I thought you were like, Sid, you're done coding, right? I never said I could do another language. Plus, I really wanted to do another language. Problem is, at that time, I just didn't have enough time. And now I even have less time, but I do have the resources. Now you're like, didn't you already have the resources? I did, but I didn't. Like, I just couldn't do this. Plus, I wanted to be better just to keep going, but it got boring. Like, honestly, it's boring now, right? Don't think about it. You guys can literally code whatever you want. I coded way too much. Honestly, a video per week or less. No, for you guys, it didn't seem that way, but I made like 3 videos in one day for one of them. Now, that time I had time. It was a spring break extended, followed by a summer break extended, and yeah. No, I know that we're out of time, but honestly, 1 video per weekend, for sure. One video during the weekend. Right, maybe a video per week or less depending on my situation, but this should take enough time. Now, since it's a brand new language, I'm going to start from the very basic. Like the very basic, okay? The very basic. The very basic means that not even the basic. Like, starting exactly from scratch. I'm going to give you guys key meanings, definitions, what line of code means what, and, like, let's say if you've never coded in Python, how are we going to teach us? Fair point, and a good question, too. Alright, that you guys are probably going to be wondering. So how am I going to teach you guys? Well, there are some things that even you guys can't just go on YouTube or Google or books or whatever you guys have and just find it, okay? So why my YouTube channel, okay? I'm going to give you some content that nobody else has, okay? I'm going to give you guys definitions, which can be found anywhere. You don't have to look for my channel for the definition, but I give you what I feel like is something you guys can understand, okay? And I've never lied to you guys. Alright? So, point is I'm going to come back with another video following this series where I'm going to explain more stuff. Okay, get it downloaded. I know I didn't explain the download process, but can't you guys just figure it out yourself? There will be a link in the description below, okay? That's all I have to do. Download it for Windows or Mac or whatever, and get it set up. So, for our next video, we can actually do some coding. Great. I will see you guys again soon for that video. And my Minecraft and Tennis World Tour playlist. I'll put a separate video for that, okay? PlayStation is the best console. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.